So that excerpt that you just saw is a clip from my performance piece, A Hawk Calls Out to the Canyon. The thing that makes it an immersive music performance is I'm playing a harmonica, and how I play that harmonica is mapped to audio reprocessing, audio reactive animations, and like the lighting sequence. So first, the idea started with me putting a contact mic onto the harmonica. Contact mic, harmonica. I knew I wanted to do something where it would record the playback of what I was doing with the harmonica and reprocess that in some way. The awesome thing about using a contact mic to do this is that through Max MSP, I can also read out the amplitude data and have that direct value control certain parameters in the audio reprocessing. In the beginning, this is what it sounded like. I had a vague idea of using the contact mic to record the audio directly into a buffer and then using the amplitude value to control some type of granular synthesis playback of the audio in that buffer. Over time, as I experimented with the playability of what I was building, I started adding other features such as delay and reverb and tweaking small details of the patch until I had it working exactly as I wanted it to. This is how the patch looked at the end, and this is how it sounded. Once I had the sound of the augmentation of the harmonica close to what I wanted it to be like, I shifted my focuses towards designing the audio reactive animations. I knew with the animation itself, I wanted to emphasize the idea of being in a canyon, since like that was the sound quality that the instrument had to it. And so that's why it's like a yellow concentric circle with like purple surrounding it, and when I play the harmonica, it bends into a star shape. It really emphasizes those qualities. And then with the lighting, I wanted to recreate the feeling of like wind hitting you in the face. So I got the idea to send the color lights down the row of lighting, and I've mapped the speed of how fast that happens to the amplitude of my playing. All of these media elements tied together in the same space, and being there as a participatory audience member, it really changes the experience of how you're listening to what's being played. And I think that's the ultimate question that this augmented music performance, immersive music performance is trying to get to, is how we experience what we are experiencing when it comes to music performance. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video and you got an insight into kind of the process of how I make these instruments in these immersive environment spaces. The concept of doing a real-time audio reprocessing immersive music performance artistically is something of great value to me, and I will continue to do. This isn't the only time I've done it. In fact, I have another video where I did the same thing with bongos. I'm gonna keep making more of these videos, more of these instruments, and sharing with you guys more knowledge that I have in terms of doing real-time immersive environment media design. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.